All right, back with our 6.3 Impala, getting ready to put our front rotors together for our upgraded brake system. I mean, we already upgraded the WildWood brake system once. We left the back drum and front calipers, but I went ahead and decided to do disc all the way around, so it's a whole different setup. So we're gonna do away with the setup that's on it, and we're switching over full wheel discs. And the front rotors are 3-piece rotors, and so we're getting ready to put those together. Real nice setup. It comes with all the hardware, bolts and everything we need. Has the hubs, a nice piece of billet aluminum, has the race and everything in there. Has the hubs and then the rotors herself. And then bolt all that together and get ready to put the calipers and hoses and everything on there, and then we'll move to the back, get the back assembled. But let's get the front rotors put together and torqued down and ready to install, and we'll get back at it. So let's go from there.